Do you see that where this vine has died on my house? I'm going to show you how to take a dead vine like that. You just snip it off, wrap it into a circle, and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, unique front door wreath with something you would have thrown away. And here are some more vines on the other side of my house that died. And this is how they look once you wrap them and then tie them with the wire. So once you have your vine all made into a round right off with the wire, you're going to want to put your flowers in. These I got at Trader Joe's. I got a bunch like this for like $4, and I probably got 2 or 3 bunches. So now you're going to want to put your flowers in. And all you do is just put them in the vines, the different parts of the vines, and they'll stay just like this. It's really simple, and just put as many as you want. You can do like a little cluster of them here, but just go and put in as many as you want. And these flowers, they'll fade out a little bit, but they will last forever. These flowers here, they're a little bit lighter color because they've been in here for months and months, and the sun just beats down on my front door, so it's pretty durable. And it's just, I mean, it's $8. I mean, making this big, beautiful, unique, different wreath out of something that came off of the wall would have naturally thrown away, but it's just, I love upcycling things and creating in this way. So just continue putting them in between the vines and make it as thick and as lush as you want it to be. You can go this way, and you can also go the other way. And where the wire is, it'll really hold really well. You can grab a bunch of them like this and do it. Just depends on the look you want. You can use any dried flowers. I personally don't dry my own flowers. Every time I've tried to do that, they've never kept their color. So I'm just adding them in here, little clumps here, little clumps there. No real pattern to it, it's just however you want to do it. And then with any art, you want to work close to it for a little while and then step back and look at it and see, okay, where do I need to add more or take some out? And if you don't like purple, Trader Joe's also has some really cool, like modern yellow balls that are on the top of these flowers that you can get that will make a completely different, cool look. And if your front door gets opened and closed a million times a day because you have kids or something, you might want to take some more of the wire that you use to wrap the vine and wrap some of these into it. And you can use any wire that you get at the hardware store. I used a thin one, but you can use any wire. And if you wire the whole wreath, then you can stick those in the wire and it's more secure. So there you go, a beautiful purple dried flower wreath made from a vine that died on your house, and you just took it off, twisted it into a circle, and put some wire here and wire here, got some dried flowers from Trader Joe's, and voila, big beautiful wreath. I'll show you how it looks on my front door. So here it is on the front door, my beautiful wreath. And the coolest thing about this wreath is that when you get sick of the purple flowers, you can change it out and you can do white flowers, or you can do orange flowers in the fall, and you can do pumpkins or yellow marigolds. You can do, these are all from the same wreath. I just pulled out the flowers and changed it up. These were some really pretty ones I got at the flower store. And this, I just added some feathers and stuff to it that I found along the way. You can be infinitely creative, which is the coolest thing about this project. Thanks so much for watching, and please click subscribe if you want to see the rest of my videos. Have a great day.